Hey everyone! Ready to make the quickest and most delicious protein bars ever? No baking, no hassle, just perfectly balanced macros that will easily replace not only your post-workout protein shake, but also whole salad bowl. Let's dive into the recipe and I'll break down the macros in detail at the very end. Let's get started. In a large mixing bowl, we're starting with 45 grams of whey protein concentrate. Mine is, as always, unflavored. And 45 grams of unflavored casein. Casein helps with longer satiety and creates a creamier texture. Then add half a teaspoon of vanilla powder, mine is 0 calories, and 30 grams of your favorite sweetener. I'm using allulose because it has zero unpleasant aftertaste and it dissolves completely, so it doesn't leave that gritty texture like erythritol sometimes does. You could also add 1 or 2 drops of liquid intense sweetener instead. As always, the links to all the ingredients that I'm recommending to you today, that I'm using today, will be in the description down below. Now it's time for the secret ingredient behind all those store-bought protein bars, the ones that are actually good. It's the reason why they're so soft, so flavorful, doesn't stick to your teeth. The secret is soluble corn fiber. Well, if you are not new to my channel, you probably already heard about it because I use it a lot. I love it. It's pure fiber, it's adding sweetness, it's improving satiety, and it gives the bars that, that soft, melting in your mouth texture. I highly recommend you adding it into your pantry, and you'll find tons of recipes on my channel featuring this ingredient. Now let's add 30 grams of unsalted, unsweetened peanut butter. Next, grab 35 milliliters of water, adding it to the mixture 1 or 2 teaspoons at a time. Mixing thoroughly after each addition. The amount of water you need might vary depending on how thick your peanut butter is. When your mixture starts, coming together into a single dough ball, stop adding water. Don't overdo it. When the dough is ready, place it on a silicone mat and spread it a little bit. Once you've spread it, let's talk toppings. For the chocolate coating, I melted 30 grams of dark chocolate with 30 milliliters of milk. You can leave the bars plain or decorate them. I topped mine with dried cranberries, some dried mango and some nuts. If you are using dried fruit, please check the ingredient list to make sure that they are not soaked into any sugary syrups. Well, they are already calorie dense enough for their own, so please check it twice. Once decorated, pop the bars in the fridge for 10 minutes to let the chocolate set. I usually make 12 smaller bars, each weighing around 26, maybe 30 grams. I prefer these smaller portions because maybe psychologically I feel like I'm eating more when I can enjoy 2 or 3 smaller bars instead of one big one, Look how beautiful they turned out. Now let's talk macros. Each 26-gram bar has just 66 calories, 7 grams of protein and 5 grams of fiber. I can easily enjoy 3 bars with my coffee and get 21 grams of protein, 15 grams of fiber and tons of calcium and phosphorus. And it all under 200 calories. And of course, they're absolutely bursting with flavor. Once you try this, I promise you'll never go back to any store-bought protein bars or just, chocolate bars. They are that good, I promise you. If you love this recipe, please make sure to check my protein cookies recipe. It's just as amazing with similar macros as these bars. And don't forget to like, subscribe and share, and see you in my next video. Bye!